3 financial trend reports to keep your business in line with your goals. An accounting software holds critical information regarding customer sales, vendor expenses, and job profitability. In this episode, certified public accountant Jeff Dvorachek explains 3 reports that business owners can use to keep their businesses in line with their goals. This is the Tax Insights Podcast, where the professionals at Hawkins Ash CPAs break down complex tax topics into bite-sized how-tos. Let's listen in.
Sometimes a business owner gets caught up in that day-to-day activities, and they kind of lose track of some of the specifics or some of the bigger picture. And a lot of these reports that some of these software companies produce can really help kind of keep you in line with where your business is going and where it's been.
Absolutely. So sometimes, it's the day-to-day activities. It's very easy to lose track of very specifics. These reports can help you stay on top of things so that you can continue to be successful.
Right, exactly. Yeah, and there's a lot of different reports that you can print, and maybe we should just talk about just some of those today.
Absolutely. So I know one of the first ones is like a customer detail report. What is this all about?
Yeah, so I like this report because it really gives you a lot of information in regard to a specific customer. When was the last time that they placed an order? How often do they normally place orders, and what do they normally get? This can help you out long term, because if you know that your customer orders something like every 3 months,
Sure.
3 months from now, they're probably going to order it again. So maybe you can have some things ready to go so you can get a quicker turnaround time and just do that extra customer service.
Absolutely. What about vendor reports? Because I know that there's a lot here that people can do that will give them information, correct?
There is, because, especially in the kind of the inflation world that we're in right now, I really like vendor reports because they kind of show, okay, what are the price of this product that we got from this vendor? What was it before? What's it now? And you can use those type of reports to figure out, okay, are we still getting the value that we expect, from our vendor? Is there things that we can do differently to maybe bring some of our costs down if they're starting to creep up higher than you expect it to be? And that's what these vendor reports do, is they really show those type of activities.
There we go. What about the last one, like job or specific division reports? Because I know here too, there's a lot of things that business owners can grab from reports like this.
This is really my favorite report, and this is the one I talk to my clients about a lot. And that is, if you do reports by either a job or by different divisions, if you have different things going on with your business, they give you a lot of information, because they can tell you, maybe this area that we're doing business in is really profitable and this other one isn't. So maybe if, as labor starts to tighten up a little bit, if you have to focus on something, these reports can show you really where you're profitable and maybe where you should focus your work as you're dealing with your customers.
Absolutely. Jeff, a lot of great information for our listeners here this morning. How do listeners connect with the team over at Hawkins Ash if they want advice, if they want to kind of get your expertise in getting reports like this?
Yeah, I would visit our website, which is hawkinsash.cpa. Like us on Facebook, or even follow us on YouTube, because we have a lot of quick and entertaining tax topics out there.
There we go. Jeff, thank you for your time, my friend. We'll talk to you again next week.
This has been Tax Insights, presented by Hawkins Ash CPAs. Learn more online at hawkinsashcpas.com. Hawkins Ash CPAs. Part of your business, part of your life.